Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are all good. Students, the topic for the day that we are discussing is about boosting tourism in our country, India. Right, we know tourism is one of the biggest economies in India, which feed and which provides employment to a large amount of population in India, right? Many areas, many states are heavily dependent on tourism sector. So in order to boost tourism in India and attract foreign travelers to India, recently Ministry of Tourism, they have partnered and signed a memorandum of understanding with Google India. What they are saying is that they want help of Google India so that they can run various campaigns about certain locations to promote those locations as a tourist hub, to run various ads that will be attracting more and more foreign travelers in India. Right, and not just foreign travelers but Indians also, they start traveling more. So Ministry of Tourism has signed this memorandum of understanding with Google India in New Delhi that will strengthen the digital promotion of India's tourism destination using AI and data driven insights. This MoU was signed in the presence of Union Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat that will enhance global visibility of the India's tourism sector. Apart from this, if we see, this initiative will leverage the analytics. As we know, AI is being used here, so various datas will be fed here, data sets will be fed here to AI, so that better meaningful output can be made and better decisions can be made. And also various digital platforms that will enhance India's cultural heritage and diverse travel experiences, positioning the country as a global tourism hub, showcasing their culture, nature, spirituality, wellness and adventure offerings. The partnership includes digital tourism promotion, knowledge sharing, capacity building, AI-based engagement tools, campaign optimization, and use of Google's digital ecosystem for enhanced outreach. This MoU, it is a non-commercial, non-binding and non-exclusive with no financial commitment from either party, that is from MoT, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Tourism and by Google. They will focus on collaborative knowledge and technology sharing under the Incredible India initiative. So aim of this is to promote tourism in our country, India. Apart from this, students, if we are talking about various giants, big giant companies, then they are also setting up their data centers that will be used to run AIs, large language models. So some companies are listed here. For example, Amazon Web Service, right? They will be investing to build massive hyperscale data center in Mumbai and Hyderabad. Then Microsoft, their Google platform, their cloud platform, that is Azure, that is Microsoft Azure, they will be expanding their cloud infrastructure with multi-million-dollar data center investment in Hyderabad, Pune and Mumbai. Google Cloud, that is GCP, they will be setting up multiple data center facilities that will scale their local cloud and AI storage capabilities. Meta Facebook, they will be setting up their data centers at Reliance Chennai campus. Also, they are planning one such campus in Jamnagar. Entity Global Data Center, that is a company of Japan. They are operating as India's largest data center operator. Their acquisition of NetMagic with a heavy expansion focus in Mumbai, Noida and Bengaluru. And Equinix, that is of USA, expanding their premium location network across major hubs such as your Mumbai and Chennai. So these are the various companies that are setting up, some of the companies that are setting up their data centers in India. And here you can see that we discussed about Ministry of Tourism, along with which they have signed an MoU, that is Google India. So for more such videos, students, stay tuned with us till the end, and basically we'll make sure to upload more such content on daily basis.